You want to make money online, but you don't want to spend hours of your time glued to your computer writing books.
Go on.
But what if I told you you can create a book in minutes and start making money on Amazon forever? And we're using a special AI tool to do most of the work for us. We're doing something a little different here. It's called Wordgenie. And in today's video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial of how to use Wordgenie to create these books in minutes. It's like having a co-author, but you don't have to split the profits.
Show me the money.
Believe me when I tell you, you want to watch this video all the way through because I'm going to give you a full tutorial of how to use this Wordgenie, where to find it, and how to use it to create books that you can sell on Amazon forever, including in your sleep. Yes, we're talking passive income here, but you know what you have to do. That algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content, and you do that by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. If you're new here, make sure you drop a comment so I can say, hey! Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this video, how to create books in minutes and sell them on Amazon forever using AI. Let's go. All right, let's break this down. So the tool that we are using is called Wordgenie. So Wordgenie is not on the ChatGPT website, but so you know, it is powered by ChatGPT because we all know ChatGPT is taking over the world right now. But Wordgenie is specifically made to create ebooks. You give it a topic and in just minutes, you've got a title, an outline, a description, and even the first paragraph of each chapter. It's basically doing 90% of the heavy lifting for you. So the way that we can access Wordgenie is on a platform called Designrr. Designrr is the overall platform that creates these ebooks, and make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I got linked up with Designrr as an affiliate because I knew it would give me access to a very special code for my audience. I don't think there's ever been any bigger offer on this channel for a product that wasn't mine. So definitely stay tuned to the ends because there is a mind-blowing offer that will allow you access to making as many ebooks as you want for life. Okay, and I'm talking about for less than the price of the coffee that you buy. Okay, so again, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for that offer, but I want to show you how Wordgenie works. Okay, we're in my Designrr account. Now I want you to know Designrr does mostly focus on ebooks, but they also have some other features that I, as a content creator, have found so helpful and has saved me thousands of dollars. And one of those features is subtitles. So I actually create subtitles, the captions here on my YouTube videos, from Designrr. But we're focused on the ebooks here, but I wanted you to know that there are many other features. If you buy ebooks from me, just know I actually write my ebooks, but I do like to play around with these and get some ideas of other books that I can do. But let's go to generate with Wordgenie. I am going to throw in a topic. Let's say 10 side hustles for busy moms. Okay, so as you can see here, you can even change the language, right? So for those of you that are not in the US or that speak other languages, or if you want your book translated into another language, you can actually use Wordgenie to do that. So now I can choose my sub niches. Again, you can pause, rewind, all of that stuff. So my audience, I'm just gonna say urban moms. Choose the title from the suggestion. See, it's creating a title, so I can just pick one. The Mompreneur Playbook. I'm going to use that. All right, so the tone of voice, enthusiastic. Y'all know I'm always hype. I'm extra, right? So the theme of the project is going to be, business, career, self-development. So that's already marked off for me, so I don't need to change anything here. And Wordgenie, as you can see, the bars are going up. There's only like 2 more things that have to be done, and then it's going to start generating my book. So now it says a tip: proofread the text. It's powered by AI and can make mistakes. You should go through the text before moving on to the next step. Yes, remember, AI is just helping us, okay? Don't rely fully on AI to do everything for you. Make changes to your books. Actually give it your voice. Also, make sure you verify the information in there because AI can be wrong, y'all. So I just want to give you that heads up. So the Mompreneur Playbook, Balancing Side Hustles and Family Life. All right, so chapter 1, Embracing the Mompreneur Mindset. Okay, I like that. Chapter 2, Identifying Your Side Hustle, Finding Your Niche, all that good stuff. So all of this is looking good. The top 10 side hustles for busy moms: freelance, virtual assistants, handmade crafts. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have all of those. And then time management, setting up your home office, marketing your side hustle. All of this is already done for us, y'all. So let's move on. And if you don't like the option that it gave you, you can click regenerate and it will regenerate some more ideas for you. But I'm going to stick with this, and it's generating my content. It may take a few minutes. It only took about 30 seconds to get the first 2 chapters up and ready for me. See, you can do this any time of the day or night. Grab a snack and sit here and make several ebooks. This book is going to have 10 chapters. And remember, you want to make it your own. You want to add your own sentences, paragraphs, those things. Make sure you check the information, that kind of thing. But really, this is creating your book in minutes. Okay, now our ebook is ready. All 10 chapters have been created, as you can see. Now we can just figure out what design we want for our ebook. Let's see. Do I want playful vibes? I'm gonna pick this one. So I like this whole timeless thing. So I'm gonna use this template. Let's do this. Mompreneur.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
So we got our cover done. Now let's just scroll through and see if there's any changes that we would like to make to our ebook. So I actually do want to change this color. So to change this color right here, that would be the background color. So we are going to change this. In order to change the color of this text, we're just going to click this box. As you can see, it's locked right now. So it's going to change all of them. So what we're going to do is we are going to make this all zeros to go to black. And all of them should be changed, as you can see. Now, I just did that with the header. I'm going to do the same thing with the footer. I just want to copy this color code, this background color, copy. And I'm going to change all my footers to this. So when I click this element, this is going to come up. See, now it says page footer, and that color is that weird bluish green color. So I'm going to change that, and I am doing that. So let me just save it because I don't want to lose anything that I just worked on. Remember, you're going to make this book your own. So if you want to change any text or add or remove any text, you can easily do that. In order to add a new page, you can click here. What I noticed, there's no page numbers. So in order to add some page numbers, you would go to settings and then go to page numbering. And matter of fact, let me just change the color of that because it is here now. As you can see, it's right there like this, and I'm good. So now all of my pages are now numbered. So that makes it easy for me to know how many pages are in the book, even though you can find that out on the right-hand side. Without doing any writing, we already have a 47-page book. You can also switch the order of paragraphs by dragging them up, down. You can even embed audio and video by dragging these elements into the book, and I can add one of my YouTube videos, for example. Also, you can add images and all kinds of other elements to your ebook. You can add QR codes as well. So if there's a product that you want to sell, for example, you can make it so that they can scan the QR code and it will go to, for example, nikkiconnected.com /shop, and it will generate a QR code, and y'all can test this out by scanning the QR code right now. Let me know if it works. Now that we have our ebook ready, we can publish it, y'all. So let's go to publish. So now we can publish this book to various places, but we want to sell this on Amazon. So we're going to choose Kindle EPUB and we're going to click export. All right, success. Our ebook is ready. Now we can download the EPUB file and then download the cover. Now the file that was downloaded from Designrr is also available to be used on Apple iBooks. So you have immediate access to that even before you upload it to Amazon. So let's take a look at what that book would look like on iBooks. So this is what it looks like. This is my book. Let's open it up and see. So when somebody opens up this ebook, it will have 48 pages straight off the gate. Okay. So this is even before any images or anything are added. This is just the book that I made in a couple of minutes, but we want to make money off of this book, right? So let's go and put it onto Amazon by using Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is Amazon's book publishing section, and KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. So you have a couple different options to sell your book at this point. You'll be able to sell the digital version, which would be the Kindle version, or you can still upload that same digital file and have Amazon print it and ship it to the customer, and they'll even handle the customer service if there are any issues. I've done plenty of videos on how to get your book printed and shipped by Amazon using KDP. So for the sake of time, I'm going to focus on the Kindle version today. But if you are interested in the printing and shipping method, then I suggest watching any of these videos. You can easily find them by searching KDP on my channel. So to make your book available on Amazon in the Kindle version at no cost to you, they just take a percentage of the sale. So what you would do is you would go to Amazon KDP. So it's kdp.amazon.com, and then you will go over to the create button, and at that point you can upload your book as a Kindle book. So let's start with the Kindle ebook version, and this is going to be the digital version that somebody can open up on their tablet or on their computer. So what you would do is you would enter your book title, the edition number. I don't have to do that. That's not necessary. So I'm going to say Nikki Connected. You don't have to do your government. You can do a pen name. The contributors, if there's anybody else helping you. Otherwise, it's your book. So you know, Designrr does not own the copyright of these books. These books that you are making are your copyright. Okay. They state that on their website. If you don't believe me, go check yourself. Okay. The description, you can create a description by hand and just type up, this is the playbook for moms that want to make money through side hustles. You could just say, like, you know, whatever, like keywords. Okay. So side hustles, because this will help you make more sales when you have keywords. Now, to make it even easier for you, Wordgenie has our back. They have the chatgpt already built into their platform. Remember that. So you don't just have access to writing ebooks, but you also have access to chatgpt. So right here under Wordgenie chat, I'm going to type, can you write a description for my ebook? So I just type that in. It's going to prompt me to use the Wordgenie edit. You can cancel or proceed. I'm going to proceed because Wordgenie edit is using the AI within the book. Okay. So like, I don't want to change the titles or anything. Okay. So now it just made us a description that we can put right there into Amazon. We just made our lives a lot easier. So now we can just copy it with this button right here, copy, and it was copied to the clipboard. Now we are going to go back over to Amazon KDP. And now I just made this a lot easier for myself. So when they have these stars, normally, like, you should make this bold. Okay. You can read this, pause this, rewind it, do whatever you want to do, because I'm not going to read this word for word, y'all. All right. So let's just make this bold and take these stars out. And basically this is what we would do, right? So let's just space it to like make it easier to read. Now, of course, if I was really putting this out, I would put more time into this and like clean it up more. But yes, you do own the copyright again. And no, it doesn't have anything explicit. The reading age, we don't even have to put that in. The primary marketplace is going to be Amazon.com. If you want to have it in another country primarily, you can do that. Could choose categories. So the category we are going to do, business and money. A subcategory would be business development and entrepreneurship. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to say starting a business, general, and you can even add another category. Okay, then you can use your keywords here, such as side hustles, and you can even do more than one. You could do make money, single, mom, that kind of stuff. So you can fill all this up with a bunch of keywords. Now I'm ready to release my book now. You can save and continue, or you can make it available for pre-order. So we're going to save and continue just to move on. So you can add DRM. If you add DRM, it's an added protection so people can't like share it with a bunch of people. Like they buy it one time and then 20 of their friends have it. I don't care. So upload the manuscript. So now we're going to upload our document. Now we are going to upload the cover we already created. All right, now did we use AI? When it comes down to it, you do want to change your stuff enough to where this is not like completely AI generated. If you used AI, okay, some sections with minimal or no editing, up to the entire work with extensive editing, such as something like that. Okay, you can choose whichever one is right for you. The last section is the pricing. If you want your book to be exclusive to Kindle, then you can actually get promoted better. So if you want to do that, then you would enroll in KDP Select. You then select which territories you want your book, and my primary marketplace is Amazon.com. And the pricing, royalty, and distribution, this is up to you. Of course, most of you are probably going to pick the 70%, but here you would input your price. If you don't know what to price your book, I suggest look at similar books that are available on Amazon. And when you do put the price in, you will see, for example, let's price our book at $20. And what will end up happening is I'll say I want a 70% royalty, and it's like, no, you set a list price between $2.99 and $9.99. So, okay, I will do it at $9, and then we can see what our split would be. So then you will have an idea, if you do the 35% versus the 70% royalty, how much money you will make. Voila, we have our Kindle ebook, and this is what our book would look like. And as you can see, it's like 785 pages. You will not believe what happened. Nikki from the future here. So you know, I'm sitting here, I'm editing this video, and I get all the way to the end, and I realize I deleted the footage for the ending.
Girl. Really?
So instead of me dressing up in the same outfit I was originally in and doing my hair exactly the same, what you see is what you get. But you saw in this video what Designrr can do, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. It does so many more things, even beyond the ebooks. For example, I use it for my captions here on YouTube. So if the Designrr platform is something that you're interested in so that you can make these ebooks and start earning a passive income, I'm talking thousands of dollars in selling ebooks the easy way, I suggest you sign up for the Designrr platform, and I have an awesome deal. This is a deal that I myself grabbed. So Designrr charges, I believe, somewhere around $300 and something a year to use their platform. Normally, y'all know I have to have a great deal. The Designrr link that I have in the description will give you lifetime access to the Designrr platform for $27. $27 for lifetime access. Make all the ebooks that you want. So you tell me, is $27 worth you earning a passive income for life? I know the answer is yes. Again, the link for Designrr is down below. You have to use that special link to get the Designrr platform to make as many ebooks as you want for $27 for life. But I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Designrr platform? If you are going to make some ebooks, What niche do you want to make ebooks in? And are you going to sign up for Designrr? Let me know. Let's discuss it in the comments. And please don't forget, if this video was helpful or entertaining or anything for you, then please let me and the YouTube algorithm know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Now, I'm going to finish editing this video and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it